Is how to motivate close family members that we are living with to get involved into regular prayers and religious activities. As long as life goes smoothly, it doesn't seem to interest them to do any spiritual activities. I hope your wife is also attending this, Vishwam Ji. But I don't know whom you are talking about, maybe children. But here is the scoop. When I entered the world, I'm just a jiva. And I'm leaving the world, I'm another jiva. In between, Nata Nadanunnadi Natakamu Puttutayu Nijamu Povutayu Nijamu Puttutayu Nijamu Povutayu Nijamu Nata Nadanunnadi Natakamu Etta edute galadi prapachamo Katta kadapatidi kaivalyamu nanati braduku natakamu. It's Annamaya Kirtana sung by M.S. Subbulakshmi. The meaning is, in between this enter and exit, it's just a drama. Nanati Bratuku Nataka. Puttutayu Nijamu. What is truth? Birth is truth. Povutayu Nijamu. Death is truth. In between, you create a drama with your mind. You, not the Uparvali. You create the drama and you play the role. Sometimes you don't create a good role, till you get paid. You create a good role, you get thrill, you get romance, you get suspense, you get mystery. Everything is studied in this beautiful, we can call it crime thriller, comedy, or a romantic movie. It's you who is the writer with the brain. So having said that, during the course of my travel, I need to understand I am connecting to the world in different levels. Some people I just see, I don't even recognize that nothing records in my brain. And some people I get expectation, then it's good. He may be helping me, expectation. But I don't care much. Of course, I do care. Is my adopted son-like person. But I'm just telling for the sake. You don't care much even if they don't come up to your expectation. But then another level goes where your family members come. There you have expectations. Expectation of their behavior to match to your template. This template has been created by you only, or a period of life, environment, and then reading, this is right, this is right. I make decisions with my mind. I never look upon the consciousness with these. That's why they say 3 layers. Outer layer, mind connects to you the world. Consciousness connects you to the spirit inside. And inside that spirit, there is God. Tatsya madhye vaknisika aniyot Nilato yeda madhyastha, nilato yeda Neela, blue. Toyada, clouds. Toyada Madhyastha, Vidyullekeva Bhaspara. That lightning happens between this and this. Have you ever experienced the lightning? Vidyullekeva Bhaspara, on that lightning. Nivara Sukavatanvi. This is a rice grain. On the top of the grain, there is a yellow dot, orange yellow. Pitabhasyat Pranupma, on the top of that yellow dot, Tatsya Sikhaya, Madhye Paramatma Vyavaspita. That's where the God is. That's where you are. That's where your life is. If you focus on that constantly, you get connected to the world to the extent that is just enough for you to spend your time. Like Raman Maharshi connected, like Ramakrishna Paramahamsa connected, like Satyapasi, Sri Satyapasi, whom I reckon as my guide. He connected. He seems to be in the world connected to his family member, but no, he doesn't care whether they behave as per his dharma. They always say dharma. So your pain and pleasure depends upon how much you expect your world to behave to your template. You create a template for your progress, focus on the template, focus on your lifestyle, you reach the target. But you create a template and instead of focusing on the target, you focus on the world. Well, I want this person to behave to my template. I want, whether it was wife, children, friends, relatives. I've always said, why I'm talking to you? Because I love to talk about my mother. I never expect Vera to listen to my words and change her lifestyle and ask Vera, how is life now? Is it good? Are you following my words? When I don't have my life on my own then. No, I want to live my life, That is where Lalita Sahasranam says, Swatmanandala vibhuta brahmadhyanam santi. Live your life, and that is Brahmananda. Live your life. And so, here's a question. It's good. Like I am telling the world, you tell your family members, okay, spirituality is good. I'm enjoying. Are you giving them the idealistic proof? That's the main thing. Many of us say, okay, children, okay, you have to pray to God. And if the son or daughter asks you, Dad or Mom, what you get by worshipping God? Have you got any product result to show? The result should be permanent. Well, I have got a job. He will say, no. If I try, work hard, I'll also get a job. The modern mind doesn't understand. You know what? I'm more peaceful. I'm more loving. I'm more compassionate. Have you ever seen me yelling at anybody, my child? Yeah, you never yell. That's because of my prayer. Wow. So if you pray, I can be like you. That is the real sample you need to set up if you want your family member to listen to your religion. Are you doing that, Vishnu? I hope you do. And you do, not with an expectation to change the lifestyle of your family members. No way. With an expectation, using these family members, let me transform. I'm shouting, crying to the people. The world is set for you to reform yourself using the entities in the world. Let us not waste time, even a single minute. I'm scared. Really, I'm scared for one thing. I'm 65. I'm going to leave my body any moment. If at all there is another birth, nobody has told me, nobody has made proof. If at all another birth is there, I pray to Mother, give me the same birth. I enjoyed it. Where I will miss my wonderful birth, that is the scare I have, not the death. That's why I pray God, pray Mother, continue this saga. Don't end it. There's nothing in the moksha for me. I love to take million births talking about her, enjoying her presence in my life. Do you see a point? So, if you are telling, I always tell, if I tell the people, don't have anger, if you rewind my YouTube videos, you'll always find I'm not saying I don't have anger. I'm not fallen from the sky. I do have anger, but one thing, the next second I hate myself for being angry. That's the alarm technique I have. That protects me. Every human being is bound to have anger. But the quicker you get to the normal, the sadhana depends on that. In Vishwamji's case, trust me, not only your family members, the whole world will change without your efforts using the brain. How is Christianity created? How is Buddhism has come? How is Jainism has come? How is Ramakrishna Paramahansa mission, Chinmaya mission, Ramana Maharshi? Did Ramana Maharshi go to everyone and please change, please change? No way. He sat in a one place and then showed the example. This is what we are missing. You live a life, idealistic life. Tell the people, hey, I'm spiritual. Tell boldly, मेरे पास माँ है. माँ है तो क्या है? लो देखो मेरा जीवन, मैं कैसे हूँ? Look at my life. That's a proof of the result of being spiritual. So, advice to Vishwam or anybody, tell only 2 times. That's what the first day of workshop I always tell. Tell only 2 times. That 2 times coming from the mind because I cannot stop the mind. If they don't listen, then understand the trap. 3rd time, you may get into anger. Anger, whether these people change or not, you are away from this. Because she is in Sarva Anandamaya Chakra. This is a trap. Please don't walk straight into the trap. 2 times. Listen. And everybody is born for, some purpose. How did Kalidasa become a poet? Suddenly. Valmiki, suddenly. Panduranga, suddenly. Purandaradasa, suddenly. Did you teach them? No. But as a human being, I cannot stop the mind working. So we tell, we just leave. That's why I say, make a wish, leave it. That leaving is the Vairagyam. Vairagyam is not on the mobile phones. Vairagyam is not on the movies. Vairagyam is on the expectation that the world should behave to my template. This is the Vairagyam.